Math Help Lesson 47. I'm going to start on the back, work our way backwards on this one. Look at number 30. Although the amount of food a bottlenose dolphin eats in a day can vary from one day to the next, the table below shows an average amount of food that the dolphins eat. Day 1, 23 pounds. Day 2, 46. Day 3, 69. Day 4, 92. Write a rule that describes how to find the average amount of food eaten in pounds for any number of days. So days, number 30. Days times 23 equals pounds. And that's A. So I'm going to write it nice and neat down here. Days times 23 equals pounds. Alright, B says, write a reasonable estimate for the amount of food the bottlenose can be expected to eat in 1 week. Okay, well, we're going to have weeks. Weeks, days, 7. Okay, so we got 7 times 23 equals. I'm going to stack it up. 7 times 3 is 21. 1 down, 2 up. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 2 is 16. 161 pounds of food. That's amazing. That's like 550 quarter pounders. Yikes, you'd put McDonald's out of business. Number 29. Some grasshoppers grow to be 2 1/4 inches long. Is 2 1/4 inches closer to 2 or closer to 3? What you're going to do on this one is you're going to take a look at the 1/4. Is 1/4 bigger or less than a half? Well, let's go ahead and draw ourselves a circle. 1/4 obviously is less than a half. The mathematical way would be cut the 4 in half, you get a 2, and 1 is less. So we're going to round it to 2 or 3. We're going to stay at 2 inches. Number 28. 1/5 of 10 compared to 10 divided by 5. 1/5 of 10 divided by the bottom number is really like 10 divided by 5 compared to 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. Do we even have to solve it? 10 divided by 5 compared to 10 divided by 5 is equal. But if you did solve it, you'd get 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 is equal. Number 27. Multiple choice. Which of these numbers is divisible by 6 and 5? Now, I think 5 is easier, so I'm going to start with 5. Ends with a 5 or a 0, right? A is out. Ends with a 5 or a 0. Ooh, B could be it. Ends with a 5 or a 0. And C is out. Now, remember our divisibility rule of 6. I wish we were at school. I could show you on the board. The divisibility rule of 6 is you've got to be divisible by 2 and 3. Is a 5 divisible by 2? Nope. Is a 0? Yes. Now, is it divisible by 3? Remember, to find the divisibility rule of 3, you add them up. 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 5 is 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes. D is my answer. Get over here, my answer key. 26. We're moving right on backwards today. If 115 students ride on 3 buses, is it possible for the same number of students to ride on each bus? Now remember, you don't cut students. You can't have 40 and 1/3 student on a bus. That would be a big mess. All right, 26. 115 divided by 3. Now, guys, we already know this doesn't work because 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 1 more is 7, and 7 isn't divisible by 3. But let's do the math. 3 goes into 11 3 times is 9. Subtract, you get 25. 3 goes into 25. 8 times is 24. And you got 1 left over. Let's cut her into thirds. Just kidding. Remainder 1. Now, what are we going to answer on this one? Is it possible? The answer is no. And then our explanation is 38 remainder 1. Number 25. Each school day, Amy's alarm clock rings at 6:45 a.m. This morning, Amy fell back to sleep after turning off her alarm clock and woke up again at the time shown on the clock. How many fewer minutes did Amy have to get ready this morning? Well, this is the hour hand. It's pointing just past the 7, so it's 7. We count these by 5s. 7:05. So she got up this morning at 7:05. And she normally gets up at 6:45. So she did a little snooze there. Let's subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. Can't take it. Cross out the hour and bring over 60 minutes. Bring over a 6. 6 minus 4 is 20. She was late by 20 minutes. She must have had to take a quick shower and quick breakfast. That's 6. I usually stop there. Let's do one more. If a packet of 50 sunflower seeds, 2/5 of the seed, today's lesson. I love it. If Victor planted the seeds in the garden and all of them sprouted and grew, how many daisy plants were they? Well, 2/5 of 50. The bottom number tells me how many dresser drawers. 5. To get to 5, you need 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and divide by the bottom number, then multiply by the top number. 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 0. Same number goes in each one, and I want 2/5. 2 dresser drawers comes out. 10, 20. 10 times 2 equals 20. 20 what? I believe it was daisies. How many daisy plants? All right, guys. I got time to help you guys with a few more of those at our Zoom call. I look forward to seeing you then.